Hello and welcome back. My name is Lois. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're returning back, you're so much welcome here. So today I'm sharing with you a romantic dinner date at home. And the first thing first, you have to have a menu. You have a starter, you have the main meal, and also you have the dessert. So here I'm preparing my chapati dough. I'll be having chapatis, stew, and also I'll share with you each and every step of the meal that I'm going to prepare today. Another thing you have to consider is who is that special person. Is it your sister? Is it your husband? Is it your mom? And know what they love most. I feel like if you prepare that person's favorite food, they are going to enjoy it so much more. So let's do this real quick. We don't want to be found halfway done.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
time to set up the table, and I'm using this white sheet and I'm putting it below the table legs to secure it. And I'm also making sure that I call to make sure that I'm not found off guard. And these are the candle holders that I'll be using this night. Also note that I'm using just normal candles that I found in the house. So here I'm showing you how I was able to come up with a floating candle. I'm using these flowers that I found they grow from the fence. I don't even know the name of it. If someone knows it, please comment down below. To create a floating candle, I'm using the lid, and also I've taken just the normal candle and cut it into pieces. I light the candle and use the candle wax to secure it to the lid.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on.
And place it in the water, and voila, we have a floating candle. So here is my simple beautiful table setup. Don't worry, I will add the cutlery later and switch off the lights.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Here is the view of when I switch off the lights. See how my floating candle is shining.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're.
I'm set and ready for the dinner, and I have some slow music turned on. The reaction I got, it was so amazing. My heart is now full and glad that I did it.
You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. But we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say.
So that's all I had in store for you guys. I hope this has inspired you to put a little effort to surprise and celebrate those special people in our lives with simple, beautiful things just around the house. Thank you so much for the support so far. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave me a comment. Kindly give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you have not subscribed, please do so. Till next time, bye.
me now. I wanna wake up with you.